So it's been playing, it's been just like this for the last 147 minutes. That's around 24 and a half hours. And I found it accomplished balancing at around 600 minutes in. This is no exploration enabled. I enable exploration manually and disable it. It was kind of pure luck. I disabled exploration around 500 minutes into training, and I was finally able to burn in something out of the random data. So I think that's why I finally got it. Now, I think it's achieved the most impossible thing imaginable. This is using this makes a choice every this makes a choice of 30 times per second, which is actually pretty slow compared to human terms. I mean, we can go 60 frames per second click speed wise, but it's actually maximized its score. The score is based off of 0 to 0.1 from a 90 degree angle all the way to the top, and then you get a 5+ bonus for having it upright between 397 degrees and 3 degrees. So like between there and there. But not only did it get it between there and there, but it actually managed somehow to max out the decimal value too, for not just to 0.8, not to 0.94 or 5.94 or 5.97, but I got it all the way to 5.1 perfectly, almost as long as physically possible. And I don't even know how it did it. It's actually maxed out its horizontal velocity to one direction. That way, as you can see, the background is moving to the right. And it's amazing. It's just standing impossibly still. It's impossibly still. Now, say I destabilize it right here. Let's see its recovery ability. Oh, just like that. Just like that. Amazing. The future is now. The future is now. Oh man, it's amazing. Look, it's gonna slowly stabilize it. So here it's getting like 5.98, 5.97. But you know. That's weird. It says that its speed is either negative 3.1 or 3.1. That actually might be a bug. I don't think the speed is just fluttering like that. Doesn't seem like it. Nope, it's not a bug. Because, let's see this recovery. Amazing. Amazing, you see that? That was a beautiful recovery. Beautiful recovery. Oh man. Oh man, this makes me so happy. It's like perfectly straight. And I give it some time and it'll just stabilize it down. Oh. Just like that. Just like that. I couldn't build something. I couldn't even program something that could do it better than that. That is just... all it took was 24 and a half hours of simulation time, of fast-forwarded time. Now, real time, I think this only took me around 12 hours to process on my computer, because I'm running at around 2 times speed, so like 11-12 hours. But you know, then again, I am running everything on on a single core, so that might be part of the issue. I might have to, I bet I could do it in 20 minutes if I ran it on my GPUs, because with the actual physics, you can't only run it on a single core, like on a single thread, a single core of the CPU, because it's like a builds on itself type of task. That's just the limitation of Box 2D, but the physics engine isn't really the handicap on processing speed. It's the neural network. I'm running a neural network with 3 state inputs, 400 and a 400/300 hidden layer configuration with 3 outputs. So that's gonna total up to like 130, 140,000 synaptic connections that are optimized every single frame. I mean, of course, the processing load is there. I mean, technically, if there's no processing load, I think I can run it at like infinite speed. It's insane how fast I can run it without the overhead of the processing. So I think I'm gonna see if I can move that stuff to the graphics card, and then see how it goes. Because I think if I move it to the graphics card, then I'll be able to run this thing like in 20 minutes, honestly. And what I could probably do is just like have short snippets of information, and then like have offline process. I have like not live processing, because I feel like that'd be a faster way of doing it. You know, run the simulation a couple minutes, then process the data and figure out what's going on, then run it again. That's probably the optimal way of doing it. But once I add in curiosity-based exploration, you know, the world is my nugget. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be phenomenal. Some stuff around the house. Oh. Yep. And that's about it. That's my stick. Balanced perfectly. Now I would play it in non-fast forward, but it's kinda low. Ah, it runs well non-fast forward. I had this issue where sometimes it just wouldn't run non-fast forwarded. But it's running at 90 frames, 90, 70, 85 frames per second. So I mean I could do the oh, looks like the simulation broke. Yep. Simulation's broken. That's what happens when you run something in the physics engine for 1,488 minutes. And that's how it's bouncing so well. This is me trying to do it, by the way. That's why the clicking sound is there for. Just seeing if it still works, but it looks like it's acting a little weird. How unusual. How I hit the limits of reality. No, never mind. It's 1:18 a.m., so it's a little tired. Yeah, it's definitely acting weird. Let's just let the AI do it, because I obviously know nothing about stick balancing. Oh. It's just like that. Now, this is a pretty long stick, so it's not too difficult to balance, but I would imagine it'd be able to take on much shorter sticks. Yep. Looks like the physics engine is kind of bugging out, and that's why it's acting a little weird. Otherwise, let's just fast forward that one. You know, it looks good to me. And that's all that matters. Yeah. Look at that stick balance. Balance it up, boy. Boy. Oh, check this out, I can do this cool trick right here. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, you know it. Pretty cool skateboard. Yeah. Oh shoot, this video is 9.5 minutes now. That's probably better than my current time. I think I watched this thing for like a total of an hour and a half total time, if not longer. Oh well. Time well spent. Time very well spent.